center or right side. Okay, so this works for text and inline elements like that. But if you want it to, oftentimes I'll try. You can do this for pictures also. You can wrap it around a paragraph. So this is our logo picture. Logo picture. So what you can do is say style equals text align. I'm making a lot of mistakes. Alright. Does it work? Yeah, you see it's centered. So if you ever want to put, let's say I want to put a, I'll do something a little bit more complex here. Let's say I want to do a paragraph. But I want the paragraph, the old paragraph, to be on the right side, and I want it to be a little narrower. Let's define some style. Let's define a background color of blue, so this way you can see it. Let's make it 300 pixels, and then so see, this is our paragraph, but it's aligned, and the paragraph is only 300 pixels, while usually by default it's the old, since it's a block level element, it's the old width. So if I would to remove the 300 pixels, the reason I put a background color is for you to see exactly where it ends. So you see, now it takes the old page. You can put back in. But even though it's only 300 pixels, if you try to put some content after that, content will go down under the element. But what you can do is float block level elements. You can float them. So this is the float attribute. You can float them right or left. So let's float it on the right side. So this makes it go to the opposite right, and also it loses the power of the block element to cover the whole line. So the text should be, you see, the text now can be beside the element. Okay, so that's I think that's about everything you need to know. Maybe some other stuff interesting for pictures. Let's take our cat picture example here. Okay, you see it's right here. So you see I added a border. You can define different, like you can say border color and then border width and then border style. But you can also do a short version border and then your the width, space the style, and space the color. And what other things you can do that's interesting is some margin and padding. The difference between margin and padding, let's say we'll do both. We'll add some padding, and there's padding left, padding top, padding bottom, padding right, all the paddings, and the same thing for margin left, margin top, margin right, margin bottom, or just margin and padding, which will cover the four sides. So let's define a margin of 20 pixels and a padding of another 20 pixels, and let's see what it looks like. You see there is let's define some background color to show even more what I'm meaning. Let's say background color of blue. You see the background color, like this is the padding here. The space between the border and the picture is the padding. and the background color goes through the padding, and the border is after the padding. But what you don't see here is the margin. The background color doesn't show in the margin, and yeah, like you see when I select, this is about the margin. So nothing shows in the margin. But if I was to put some text after my image, let's say some text, you see that the text is right here. It doesn't go right next to the image because there's padding this way and there's padding this way, so it goes this way here. Sorry, margin. This is margin. So, like I said, margin goes after the border. So guys, again, I know this is a lot of information, but I think what you can take and keep from this whole video course is what are anchor texts, what are H1s, H2s, titles, pictures, how to define pictures, how to define anchors, how to define a no-follow link, and I think technology-wise, if you're able to get a grasp on this stuff, you'll be well on your way with your affiliate marketing business. So that's it. Have a great day, and don't forget to register for my newsletter if you haven't done already on Earn Money on the Internet. And I'll send you, once you register, I'll send you a free video of how I built this website from scratch, getting a hosting provider and building my WordPress website. You'll see this is much easier. It's all click